Back at camp, and I had an epiphany? Is that the word? I had an epiphany. So on tour last year, made a new recipe called the Colorado Cajun. It was the second most popular recipe we made on the tour. Today it hit me. Let's make it in sandwich form. So are you ready for a Cajun sausage sandwich?
That sounds amazing.
By the way, this is Paul, my buddy Paul. So he tagged out today. I'm going to put the picture down below.
Oh,
Got
yeah.
himself a nice, what was it, 5x4?
5x3.
5x3 mule deer buck, baby. So Cajun sausage sandwich, we could call it the Colorado Cajun. Something like that.
Let's give it a try.
Alrighty, going down with a little extra virgin olive oil, Blackstone 28-inch Adventure Ready. Got that on medium-ish. And we've got some Hillshire Farm andouille sausage, the same kind we use on the tour this year. So a beef, I think it's beef and pork mixture, andouille sausage. Oh, look at that. Looks like a bunch of horseshoes, doesn't it? On tour, of course, we use they call it the Trinity of Cajun cooking, of course, which is onions, celery, and red bell peppers. And of course, we added parsley to the recipe. But look at this. Walmart had this great value with parsley flakes. So, man, this is going to be good. Put these down here on the griddle top. These are going to be our toppings. There we go. Go in with a little more of that extra virgin olive oil, and Blackstone just came out with a brand new reformulated Bayou blend, baby. You can buy this at blackstoneproducts.com. And oh, now let me tell you what, it's spicy. I think it's spicier than the original Bayou blend. So there we go, down with a little bit of the Bayou blend. Check out the sausage here, looking good. We're gonna flip those. Oh yeah, nice color on the sausage. We'll flip those and put a little more oil back there as well. Get those sizzling. And I'm gonna put a little bit of granulated garlic down on the sausages. It's one of my tricks. I always like to, if I'm making like Italian sausage, hot dogs, whatever, I always have to put a little bit of garlic or some kind of seasoning on top of them. My warming rack is dirty from last night. I forgot to clean it. So we're gonna grab Blackstone Griddle cutting board here, because I don't want the sausages to burn. And we're gonna set them up here for a few seconds while the onions, celery, and peppers are finishing sauteing. Alrighty, I think those onions, peppers, celery are almost done. So I'm gonna put the sausage back on here to continue cooking. And grab these and put them in this cast iron skillet over here. That's a good way to keep them from burning. And we're gonna put cheese on this. So my idea that I just came up with is we'll put the cheese in the skillet with these and they can melt together. Colby and Jack cheese over here, put them down. And this will be our topping on top of our sausage sandwich. Sausage is nearing completion here, so I'm gonna grab my buns here. We'll try to measure out a piece which is maybe just about bun length there, and that's how we'll cut these up here. I was just thinking that I wish I had some heavy whipping cream or some milk for this cheese and onion, celery, pepper sauce, but then I realized I had a stick of butter left over from last night, so we're putting that in there. The sausage is just about done. At least it's got that great color. See, these are pre-cooked, and it's got that great color on the outside. So we'll put those over here on that cutting board again. And we'll grab our buns. I got a nice hoagie roll. Definitely recommend using a hoagie roll. I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do, right? So if you had a hot dog roll, hey, that's fine. But if you can, definitely recommend getting a bakery fresh hoagie roll. I think the rolls are ready. These are deli fresh rolls, so I just went ahead and pre-slice those and put the sausage in there, something like this, and we'll we'll test Paul's strength and dexterity over here. Like I said, I think heavy whipping cream would have been preferred for this, but we're gonna do what we have to do, and we're gonna see if we can get this on each sandwich. And this is where Paul's hot sauce debut comes in. Louisiana hot sauce. Do it up, Paul. Just a little bit. Oh, yeah.
Good?
Oh, actually, that looks good. See, we're going for flavor, but also look at that color contrast, too. Man, folks, I don't know. I think we're going to hire Paul.
I've been practicing
What do you think?
all week.
Do you want to cook and eat for a living?
I could do that.
Take a look at that.
And take a look at that.
Take a look at that.
And take a look at that.
Got to get that thumbnail shot. And let's give him a try.
Let's give that a try. That was great. The hot sauce on the top, the whole mixture of the thing, and cooked on the Blackstone, and pretty good.
There we go. Oh, there we go. Oh, I got to get a bite on camera. So thanks for watching, everybody. From here in the Pine Ridge area of Nebraska, this is Todd and Paul. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the
Colorado Cajun sausage sandwich.